This video is brought to you by Westpac Lifestyle, but more on them later.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel where we organize and make things beautiful. I'm Des and this is Sort and Style. The last hacks we did, I couldn't bust any of those hacks, so we're going to try again today. Got a few more hacks, general hacks, and we'll see if any of them work. Let's get started. Okay guys, the next hack is a hack that actually does work, and I know this already because I've already been doing this all the time. And it's how to make this look more full. So this is what it kind of looks like without doing anything in. It's like very flat on the top here, very boring, but I'm going to show you how to make it look more full with the same amount of flowers. Okay, so I found the end of the cellotape. So what you're going to do, let me just turn this here for you like this, is basically gonna just sellotape nice and tight on there. I'm gonna do about 4. Okay, and then maybe like push them down so that they are nice and tight. Good and secure. And I'm going to do 2 across. Folding. Okay. Now you're just going to cut. Use the clear sellotape so that if there is like little pieces sticking out, you're not going to actually see them. Okay. And now you can put your flower in and it like hangs. And that is how you make your vase look more full. Now check here, I can even put ones on top of the other. See? How cool. And it looks so much fuller, so beautiful. Daniel! Some kid just got moaned at. Daniel, you're in trouble. Hey guys, I just want to take a moment to thank the sponsor of this video, Westpac Lifestyle. Get on over to one of their nationwide stores and see all the variety that they have on offer. Let's get back to the video. Okay guys, the next hack we're going to try out is folding a fitted sheet. Apparently, there's a simple way to do it. Oops. I'll be the judge of that, okay? Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is lay out your fitted sheet like that. Then you're going to turn it around. And we're going to take our one corner, we're going to go inside, take our corner, check where the seam is, seam ends of the corner. You're going to turn it inside out. And that we are going to match and put into that corner over there. Okay? And you're going to do the same with the other side. So again, inside out, take the end of the corner. Oh, let me get to that side. And put it into this corner and match the end of the seams. Just play with it a little bit and let it get like that. Okay? And then, let me move this. Then you kind of want to straighten everything out as much as possible. Okay, so you'll see this side here is quite bulky and this is not. So we want to try and even that out. And how we'll do that is to fold that like that. Okay. Then we're going to fold the sides in like that. Okay, and then this one in like that into the middle. Okay, and then move up the middle. And then, so you kind of want to do it in threes. Ta-da! Ta-da! I folded my first fitted sheet, guys. If I can do it, you can do it. Trust me. Wasn't that hard? Guys, this cable tie thing has been bothering me. So I've been practicing how to cut this, and you know what? The simplest thing to do is just get rid of those damn side cutters because they do not work.
Oh, it's quite hard. I don't know. Wow!
Normal scissors, guys, that works. That works. So let me show you how you're going to cut it. And then we're actually going to get to try this hack. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut a point at the end. A sharp point like that. Okay. And then we're going to go on the sides here and kind of make like cut in at an angle like that. Okay, so it makes that kind of sharp piecey, and we're just gonna go all the way down like that. Okay, and then you're gonna turn it around and then do the same on the other side in between the cuts that you just made. Okay, so you got your cable tie. You kind of just want to like twist it a little bit, and then it's ready to go. Okay guys, this is the moment of truth. I don't even know how to open this. And might I just say, I just washed my hair the other day, so I'm sure this is gonna be quite gross. Okay guys, so you kind of just wanna go down, get this in as far as possible, and just kind of like go twirl around. Oh my gosh, and then let's see. Oh, gross it is! Oh, that's so gross. Guys, I don't actually know what to do with this now. It's quite gross. I guess I could go in again, but I don't want to. I'm just gonna say this hack works, okay? You can do it like that. And that's it. I don't know what to do with this now. Honey, can you give me a packet or something? It's gross. Okay guys, that's the end of our hacks part 2 video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Guys, I'm desperately searching for a hack that I can bust. So if you have a hack that you've been wanting to try out, let me know. I'll give it a try for you and we can see if it works. Guys, I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.